If you own a cleaning business and you're looking for ways to improve your website, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com. We help cleaning business owners book more jobs, and that includes helping them with their websites. So over the years, we've built, reviewed, and rebuilt a ton of websites for cleaners across the United States. And that experience has helped us understand what works and what doesn't work for your cleaning business's website. So let's hop on over to Google and do some live website reviews. But first, I want to set some ground rules. Number one, I'm going to choose a random city, perform a Google search, and review the top search results. Number two, I'm going to focus on the positives, not the negatives. I'm going to try to focus on ways that you can improve your website. So if I selected your website today, don't take any offense. I'm going to suggest some ways that you might be able to improve things on your website. And number three, if you want us to review your cleaning business's website, leave a comment below with your business name and an email address where we can reach you. And you can even leave your website URL so that we can take a look at your website and we'll get back to you. So let's go ahead and get started. I already pulled up a Google search for carpet cleaning Seattle. Let's see what we've got here. Across the top here, we've got some Google Guaranteed. These are powered by the Google Local Service Ads program, Keep Clean Carpets, Queen Bee Cleaning Service, J&M Carpet Renewal LLC. You're all showing up in the Google Guaranteed Local Service Ads section. Then we got Alpine Cleaning running Google ads here. The websites I'm going to focus on today, I don't want to click on any of these ads because if I click on one of these ads, potentially it's going to charge these cleaners some money. So instead, I'm going to go down here to the map section and we're going to look at these websites right here. The top ones that show up are Everclean Northwest, Angels Carpet Care, and Fuzzy Wuzzy Rug Cleaning Company. We searched for carpet cleaning Seattle. Interesting, we got Everclean Northwest, Angels Carpet Care. Those are both obviously carpet cleaners. Fuzzy Wuzzy Rug Cleaning Company sounds more like a rug cleaner, says carpet cleaning service as the category. I actually didn't know they offered carpet cleaning service, although I was aware of their rug cleaning service. So let's take a look at these websites and see what we can find. We'll start with Everclean Northwest. All right, so great looking website. First thing I notice here is the big headline, West Seattle Carpet Cleaning Residential and Commercial. Fantastic. That tells me exactly what this website's about. It's about carpet cleaning in the West Seattle area. They offer both residential and commercial services. I get it immediately. I know what this business is. I know what they offer. How do I take action? That's my next question. If I was ready to book a cleaning job right away, I was in a hurry, I just needed to book someone right now, how would I take action? Again, really obvious. There's a huge button here that says book now. There's another big button with the phone number. You can click either one of these buttons. If I was on a mobile device, I would be able to click this phone number and call the business right away. Let's see what happens if I click the book now button. Great, this takes us over to the contact page. I have to scroll down here to find this form. I'm assuming they want me to fill out this form in order to request a quote. No problem, I could fill that out pretty easily. If I was on a mobile device, I bet that would be pretty easy to figure out as well. That looks great. Everclean Northwest is in the upper left-hand corner here. They put their logo. That's kind of the standard place. Most cleaning businesses should stick their logo in the upper left-hand corner of their website. If you stick it somewhere else, it might look a little strange. It might leave your website visitors feeling a little unsettled. So stick your logo in the upper left-hand corner. One thing I do look for usually is a phone number in the upper right-hand corner. I don't see that on this business's website. Everclean does not have a phone number in the upper right. That's an opportunity. You could potentially put the phone number up there if you want to drive more phone calls, but they have obviously decided to focus on these large call to action buttons down here. And they have one for both book now and one for click to call. One positive though, even though they don't have a phone number in the upper right-hand corner, they do have a contact us link. So put some sort of contact information in the upper right. I recommend a click to call phone number in the upper right-hand corner of your website. A contact us page is also fine. If you want to do online booking, you could even put an online booking link there. But most people expect to find the phone number in the upper right-hand corner. So that might be one small opportunity for this business. Next, I want to talk about images. And there's obviously a big carpet cleaning picture as the hero shot right here. This is probably a stock photo of someone using a plastic carpet cleaning wand. A lot of foam coming up in that wand, right? But if I didn't know much about carpet cleaning, I probably wouldn't second guess it. I would just think, hey, this guy's cleaning carpets. Look at all that stuff coming out. That's amazing. Come do my carpets next. All right, as I scroll down here, I see a list of services. So Everclean offers carpet cleaning, commercial cleaning, house cleaning, upholstery, tile and grout, move out cleaning. Awesome. Good job. Definitely call out your services on your homepage. You want people to know what all you offer because I came here for carpet cleaning, but I may also have some furniture that needs to be cleaned. I may also need my bathroom and kitchen floors cleaned, and maybe those are tile and grout floors, right? So list all the services that you offer. We'll keep scrolling down here. Testimonials, awesome. That's social proof. People want to hear that someone else has hired you before and had a good experience with your service. So I see a couple of great testimonials from customers here. That's helpful. Next, we see frequently asked questions. People, they have questions about getting their carpets cleaned. That's just the reality. Some people have never had their carpets cleaned before. Some people don't know what to expect. Some people have really specific questions that they want answered before they will even consider hiring you to clean their carpets. So always a good idea to put a frequently asked questions section on your website. And if you're the person who's answering the phones at your business, then you probably know what questions you're getting most frequently. Take those questions, put them on your website in an FAQ section. Awesome, awesome job. Down here at the bottom, I see more click to call and another book now button. Awesome job on the calls to action. Things that you could do to improve this website. One thing I don't see on here is your service area. So I see West Seattle carpet cleaning. What other areas do you serve? What if I wasn't in West Seattle? Let's say I was across town in Bellevue or Issaquah or Redmond. Looking at this page, I'm not sure if you serve those areas. I don't see a list of the areas that you serve. So that's an opportunity. You could add that. Maybe it's somewhere else here on the website. It might be on the About page. I'm not really sure. Okay, I think that's enough for Everclean. Let's back up. Let's look at Angel's Carpet Care. Angel's Carpet Care, awesome, awesome. This website's really cool. So this website has a more classic look and feel. Some other cleaners might come here and go, wow, this website could really use some updating. But I will tell you that customers, homeowners, people who need their carpets cleaned, they may actually come here and think, oh, wow, this business has been around for a long time. This website looks like it's been up for a while. So don't automatically assume that an older or more classic looking website is not going to work for you. Sometimes that style, that design choice can actually work extremely well for you. And if your website's working for you, Angel's clearly showing up near the top of Google search results when you search for carpet cleaning Seattle, which is a huge volume term. He's probably getting a lot of phone calls and a lot of website clicks from that. So awesome job, Angel. Don't discount a website just because it looks like it hasn't been updated in a while. Sometimes an older website can rank really highly on Google. So let's take a look at some things that we could do to improve this website. Just like I said on the last one for Everclean, I would stick a phone number up here in the upper right-hand corner. Once again, I see that there's the contact link, and that's great. I expect to see contact information in the upper right-hand corner. I personally like to see a phone number, and I like to see it click to call. I do see that you have the phone number down here, further down the page. If I hover over it, it doesn't look like it's clickable. Now, if I were on a mobile device, a smartphone, my iPhone, for instance, I don't know if I would be able to click on this phone number and call it. So that's a really, really easy opportunity for Angel's Carpet Care to try to drive more phone calls. Make every single phone call that's on your, or every single phone number that's on your website clickable so that people can click to call your cleaning business. Another thing I don't see here is a really big call to action button telling me what to do next. So I see welcome to Angel's Carpet Care. That's great. I understand that Angel does carpet care. I think that means carpet cleaning. It looks like this guy is cleaning carpets over here. Some images would be helpful. If there was an actual image of somebody from Angel's Carpet Care doing a cleaning job, that would probably sell it for me a little bit more if I was a homeowner looking to hire you. But overall, I get it. It looks like you do carpet cleaning. You might do some other carpet services like carpet repair or carpet installation or something like that. The name carpet care makes me think that you might offer more than just cleaning. In terms of call to action buttons, I mentioned the phone numbers here. I would make those clickable. This contact us now link, this is awesome. It's a call to action button. It takes you to the contact page so that you can get all their contact information. What I don't see here is a really clear way to request a quote other than calling or emailing. So here's an email address that you can actually click on and send an email to. I would love to see Angel's Carpet Care add a form to their website. You might hear these called contact forms or lead forms. I call them lead forms. I would suggest adding a form to this website that collects name, email address, phone number, and a brief description of what the person needs cleaned. Then anytime someone comes to your website, stick a big button right here that says get quote, get free quote, request a quote, something like that. Put a big call to action button here. And when they click that button, take them to the form and ask them to fill out the form. And then every time someone fills out that form, set it up so that it sends you, Angel, the business owner, an email notifying you that somebody's requested a quote on your website. You'll get their name, their email address, their phone number, a description of what they need cleaned. You can pick up the phone and call them right away. You can also type out an email and send it off to them. I like to do both. I like to follow up as many ways as possible just to make sure I close as many jobs as possible. I don't own a cleaning business anymore, but that's what I used to do when I did own a cleaning business. Let's do one more website review and then we'll move on. Last thing to say about Angel's Carpet Care, I see service areas, awesome. So I know exactly which areas you serve. Why choose us? What do we do, right? You're differentiating yourself. Customer comments still to come, okay? So it sounds like maybe Angel's team meant to come back and add some testimonials at some point. That didn't happen. I would come back and add some testimonials if possible. You've probably got reviews on Google. Yep, 92 reviews on Google, 5-star rating. Take some of your best comments from these Google reviews and go stick them on your website, Angel. I think it'll help people make a more informed decision about hiring your company. All right, lastly, we're going to do Fuzzy Wuzzy Rug Cleaning Company. Fuzzy Wuzzy is a big rug cleaner here in town in the Seattle area. They've got locations all over. Like I said, I didn't even know they did carpet cleaning. So let's check out their website. Awesome website, very modern looking. This is exactly what I expect to see from most carpet cleaning companies these days. I like the big background here with the different images. I see rug cleaning, carpet cleaning. The first thing I notice here is this chat. That's really cool. Question for Fuzzy Wuzzy, text us here. I think I know what technology this website is built on just based on this chat widget. My guess is that a lot of people come to this Fuzzy Wuzzy rug cleaning website and engage with this chat widget and text with the company. So if you want people to text with you or chat with you, consider adding a chat widget to your website. That's a great way to get people to take action. I don't see the phone number in the upper right-hand corner, but that's because it's up here in this green bar. Call us for a free quote. Here's the phone number. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It doesn't look like it's clickable. If I look at this website on a mobile device, on my smartphone, hopefully that phone number will be clickable so that I can just tap it, call you to get my carpets cleaned. The other thing I see, I don't see a big headline, right? That's that actually I didn't even notice it at first, but now that I see it, it's all I can see. I would add a big headline here explaining what exactly Fuzzy Wuzzy Rug Cleaning is offering, because I searched for carpet cleaning in Seattle. I clicked on this page and now I see pictures of carpet cleaning, rug cleaning. I'm seeing that it's a rug cleaning company that offers cleaning services. I'm starting to get a little bit confused. I see this van. Okay, you could probably come out and clean my carpets, right? But if you put a big headline right here that said carpet cleaning service in Seattle, Washington, then I'll know that I'm in the right place. I'll know that I searched for carpet cleaning Seattle. I clicked on a website. I came to that website and I arrived at the right place because it says carpet cleaning in Seattle, Washington. So highly recommend adding a big headline to this page. And then underneath that headline, add a call to action button, asking people to do whatever you want them to do next. If you want them to call your business, make it a click to call button. If you want them to fill out a form, you could just add the form right there underneath the headline. Or you could add a button, a call to action button that would drive them to a form somewhere else on your website, maybe on your contact page. There's a few ways you can set it up, but I would highly recommend adding a headline and a call to action button to this section right here. Let me scroll down and see what else we got. I love the video. Video is awesome, a great way to sell your cleaning services. If you don't have video on your website, I highly recommend you add it. 120 years in business, 1900 to 2020. My goodness, this has got to be one of the oldest cleaning businesses in the country, right? Fuzzy Wuzzy's been around a long time, it sounds like. List of services, area rugs, carpet, furniture, air ducts, etc. Awesome. Great. List out all the services that you offer so that people can hire you for everything they need done in their home. Here's another video. Great job with video. These are actual brand images that Fuzzy Wuzzy has taken. This is one of their employees, or maybe a model that they hired and stuck in a uniform, right? But these are actual Fuzzy Wuzzy brand images. And if you don't have these for your cleaning business, I highly recommend you go out and take the time to shoot some. Just take a day on the weekend. Stick one of your employees or yourself in uniform, or your better looking brother, right? Stick him in uniform and have him stand outside your van, carry a rug, carry a carpet wand, do all that stuff, right? Take pictures of them and get some brand images, right? It really, really helps step things up. I see a lot of businesses that don't have pictures on their website at all. And I see some that have just stock images. But when I see pictures of the actual company that I'm about to hire, it really makes a big difference. All right, I'm just going to leave it there. Here's a big form. I was talking about forms earlier. Receive a free quote. I love that. Name, email, phone number, zip code. Then you can select which services you want, and you can add comments and even a promo code. Okay, cool. So this is what you need to do on your cleaning business website. Make sure you add a contact form that people can fill out. And anytime someone fills out that form to request a quote and they hit the submit button, it should send you, the business owner, an email letting you know that you got a new lead from your website. That email should contain all the contact information, and you should be able to get that email, open it up, call, and respond via email right away. I'll leave it at that. So I hope that was helpful for you. Again, if you want me to review your cleaning business's website, leave me a comment below. Let me know the website URL, the name of your cleaning business, and leave me an email address where I can contact you. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll do this again soon.